Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to do a really deep clean on your wheel and tire setup, because last weekend I removed my setup to put them in the shed because we're already getting freezing temperature here. So now is the best time. I will show you how to get rid of brake dust, get rid of tar spots or tar deposit, and really give a deep clean to your tires. So guys, we're not gonna waste any time and let's jump in the video right now. Alright guys, so choose a reputable brand for your iron remover, tar remover, and tire cleaner. So for this first part, I like to start with a dry wheel and tire. So the backside is really dirty, so I want to remove most of the dirt before touching it. Wow, I was really surprised by the amount of brake dust that I had because I maintain those wheels pretty much weekly. So in this case, I'm using Geon iron wheel, but take whatever iron removal product you got. Spray a good amount, let it dwell at least 2 minutes or as long as you can before it dries. Give it a good scrub with a brush or a microfiber towel and rinse off. So guys, if you like what you see so far, please give it a thumbs up, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. I have a new video coming soon for you. I'll be doing a challenge, CARPRO retire against Adam's wheel and tire. This is gonna be great, so subscribe. So for this process, I'm using a platform. I'm also adding a rubber piece, so that way I'm not going to damage my wheels and the platform will help me to save my bag. Alright, time for tar removal. Because Tar X is a solvent, we're going to want to dry the wheel really well. Spray a good amount of your tar product. Let it dwell for at least 2 minutes, as long as you can before it dries, just like the iron remover. Grab your microfiber towel and just wipe off the melted tar. After that, you give it a good rinse. And that's it. Alright guys, so now you know how to prep your wheels the proper way. You use elite product, elite technique, you get elite result. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.